Far away from the noise of the cities lies a place where time slows down, where the road leads not just to destinations but to forgotten stories. This is Romania's wild heart. From smooth asphalt to muddy forest roads, across mountain passes and deep valleys, each turn reveals a different face of Romania, raw, untouched, unpredictable. Hidden in the folds of these mountains are ancient villages, scattered like whispers from the past. Here, people live simply, closely tied to the land. No crowds, no signal, just the wind, the trees, and silence. Above it all, I watched from the sky, forests stretching endlessly, rivers curving their way through wilderness, and then a surreal sight, Lake Jamona, a haunting reminder of beauty shaped by tragedy. We live fast, we forget to breathe, to feel, but out here time teaches you again. You learn to notice the shape of a tree, the rhythm of rain, the silence between sounds. In the wilderness, you remember yourself. At night, I sleep under the stars in the heart of the forest with nothing but the fire's warmth. No hotels, no boundaries, just nature as it has always been. Wild, free, untamed. Some journeys aren't about reaching a place, they're about losing yourself in silence, in nature, in something bigger than words. Romania's wilderness isn't loud, but if you listen closely, it speaks. Along the way, I taste the land, traditional food made by hands that still know the old ways, flavors that carry history, meals shared with strangers who feel like old friends. Romania is not just a place you visit, it's a place you feel deep in your bones. Its wilderness isn't empty, it's full of life, of soul, of stories waiting to be told. This is my journey into the wild beauty of Romania. Just visit Romania, feel it.